Holy shit. That guy did a shit ton of damage. Did half his health. Yeah, I'm gonna have to raise the bank heist. I'm gonna make it, instead of 10, which is too low, I'll make it like 25 or something like that. I'll make it 25. Let me just do that right now. Hold on. I made it 30. I increased the bank heist to 30, so next time you do it, not this one, but the next time you do it. That'll be the max. You can do up to 30. I just like the cannon, the noise, you know, it's just impressive. Dare I say realistic? I don't know. Try to jump to somebody that's actually in a fight. Oh, we won.
Smart Alex switched channel to ARK Survival Evolved on the server.
All right, well, and then I gotta call it, and I'll be back in a little bit. No, I didn't hardly do anything that game, so shot the island in the face. I might be able to buy the next ship. I'm not sure. I have to have kind of like a good game that I can say, oh yeah, that was awesome, and then be done. Okay, I'm not really gonna go. I have a feeling I'm gonna hide over here by the island. Just wait. Oh, did you hear about that guy that had the hamburger? It was the hamburger that he had in his pocket. He bought 2 hamburgers and he put one in his pocket in his jacket. And it was a jacket that he only wore like twice in his life or something. And it was in his closet the whole time. He took the jacket out and the burger out of the jacket and it looked brand new. It was nasty. Looks like he's coming around to my right. Wow, that went like right through his ship.
Unable to maneuver. Critical engine damage.
Damn it, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I know, I just had McDonald's last night.
Problem solved, sir.
What do you think, kamikaze?
Engine boost activated.
Oh well. I did, I killed it.
Enemy cruiser destroyed.
Nice. Killed him after death. Awesome. He was already pretty much dead. See, I don't mind that. Like, I die and all of a sudden, boom, he dies like, 30 seconds later. I don't mind that at all. That's fun. I got that last 2 torpedoes off before I exploded. guy's stuck in the wall. Well, we might have to wait this 12 minutes. I don't know. Alright, he made it out. I need 2450, so probably another round I can get the next ship. But I gotta take off because I gotta see about getting that stove out of here. It's gonna be tough when you gotta do it by yourself, but I just will at least want to get it prepared for when Craven gets back, then we can put the new one in. Just replace it. But I'll be back. Not sure what time. Definitely after supper. Probably like after 5, probably. So in about 3 hours. Say about 3 hours from now. Well, that'll be 6. About 2 hours. 2 hours or so. So we'll probably kick off. I don't know what Craven's plans are, but we might do some more 7 days. If she doesn't want to play tonight 7 days, then we'll do some more warships here, because I'm having a blast with this anyway. But we'll see you guys in a bit.